Good morning. Wait a minute, what time is it? It's morning. We are in Scottsdale, Arizona, and this is Westworld Event Arena. Look at this gorgeous building. Absolutely gorgeous. Look, we got vans here. This is going to be a fun couple days. We're just setting up. Naomi just brought that in from Fresno last night. She drove all night long, slept in the back of the credit box, she said, for a couple hours. Went through rain, snow, and slush, got it here, and now we're in the beautiful Scottsdale, Arizona in this event. This is going to be full of tiny homes by tomorrow morning. Thank you guys for tuning in. These guys are decorating. Look, I asked them, I said, do you guys got any decorating experience? There's Tyler to the left, and then Tim. We got in yesterday, actually. Got used to what's going on around here, where everything's located. And I asked him, I said, you guys got, how's it going, guys?
Look at that, Randy. We don't need no screws.
You don't need no screws? Look at that. I don't know.
Under control.
Tim, you got to get creative, Bubba. You got to let them juices flow, man. Look.
That's what I got my degree in.
Yeah.
It's
Exterior decorating.
Fake plants on tiny home 101.
Man, we're trying. To try to duplicate what was at Fresno is tough. We got some pictures to go by, and I'm thankful that Naomi is inside. She's been talking to Amanda, getting it all decorated, and here we are. Isn't this beautiful? Look at. Oh, I'm so proud of this. We got T-shirts, we got tables we bought today at home Lowe's, and there we go. Gives me chills looking at this thing. Oh my gosh. Tim told me them vans right there are $107,000. And there was one over here, he said, I think it's that one, that Mercedes. It was 200 grand. I can't wait to get in them and look at them. And then you got us for 2025 right here. This is just stupid. I love our logos. I love that one. We got old Ace in the back, and my truck's about done. You guys I can't wait to show you my truck. Of course, our insignia of the Incredibox. This is the feminine small I. I love it. And so when people come in, they're coming in those doors. Of course, there's going to be a ton of buildings here, but there's a walkway that we get right here. And then the lady was so sweet. Her name's Renee, and she said, I'm putting you there so your billboard would be where people could see it. So she's accommodating all of us. It seems like a good event. It's all going to be inside for 2 solid days here, Saturday and Sunday in Scottsdale, Arizona. Look at this. I think they said there's going to be like 40 or 50 tiny homes. Look at this dude. This one, the roof goes up and down. We did one of those, I bet you it was 6 years ago. We had one go up and down exactly like that. So hats off to him. I hope he gets a lot of business from that. And maybe we'll do a tour of these guys so you guys can see other homes that are out here and look at the prices and the amenities. And listen, when people come and buy our homes, I always tell them, I said, you make sure that our home is what you want and what you need. I'm not pressuring anybody into a house. I'm not saying, and I'm not going to dog another builder. These guys are inventive. They're trying to make a living. They do some great homes, and we're going to show you everything, and that way you can compare our homes. Of course, we don't have a model home here. All we have is the Incredibox, and maybe we can get a model home out here later if the market starts really getting good for us and see what we can do. So anyway, I wanted to bring you a quick word. We are in the Holiday Inn Express over here in Scottsdale. Wonderful place. We are flipping out about how beautiful Scottsdale, Arizona is. Yeah. Oh, hey, let's go inside and see Naomi. Let's see here.
Yes.
Right there. Let's go see Naomi. What are you doing in here, girl?
I'm doing it.
Wow. All right. You know what? Those lights give that ambiance in here, doesn't it?
Yeah, it sure does.
You know, when you come in here, all this is, it's like a home.
It is.
I love it in here, man.
Yeah.
Well,
what I need to do is I'm just gonna see what we
have
I'm
you
gonna
got
add
pictures
some more
that
things up here? Yeah.
we can work with?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Man, it's hard figuring out how we had it last time, but
Well, With the
Oh, we got to
pictures.
put the TV
Yeah,
up.
it's
Yep.
right there, but we've got to put the screws. So
Yep.
I'm pretty sure the screws are all right here.
Oh, yeah,
They're
we got
there.
all of it
They're
here.
all right here.
And what we were talking about earlier, this house is going to go to Quartzsite. It's going to go to San Diego. It's going to go.
Wow.
I'm going to try to keep it out west.
That'll be great.
And we'll just keep hitting the Western market because I've always wanted to be established out here.
Cool. It's going to be so fun.
You're my Fresno connection.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yep. I don't know if I'm going to those other shows or not.
Well, you can if you want.
Okay, well, we have to ask my wife, I guess.
Yeah. Well, you got a 4-digit number. You guys are like, I'm going to make some money.
I know it, right?
Yeah.
It's so fun.
And if there's anybody else out there that you're a salesperson in this area or the shows we're going to, we want you to come here. We want you to participate, help us sell. I hope there's thousands of people. I don't know how many people are going to be here. So
It's going to be fun. I'm excited.
Yeah.
It's going to be great.
good. So we're going to decorate this, get it set up, and then we'll come back. And I want to let I'm going to start throwing out a bunch of videos, just keep you all abreast what's going on step by step.
Excellent.
We got a lot to do.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
Cheers.
Bye.